gonna check what this BMW needs. We most probably are gonna be fixing it, setting it up like electrically, sorting out the wires, sorting out the all small plastic parts, making everything look original again. So stick with us, let's see what the vehicle looks like, let's meet the owner, and hopefully we can get some good footage out of this. Where's the big boss? How are you? Where's the big boss? Oh, okay, I must phone him quickly. Let me phone him, Shah.
Oh, okay. You know what? Like the fan now, we're right out of the fan now. So maybe it's gonna be, maybe. Can we start with the insurance?
Yeah.
One slider, but
On the seems nice
Okay.
though, bro.
yeah.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah. No. So
Can
nice.
we pull straight pin?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was pulling.
Must pull.
Why is the water running like this? Who? Why is the water running like this? This thing is full. That's what we need, that water, ne? We need that water. This thing must be full.
Rather?
Huh? Go.
You're not gonna come out, ne? You are gonna run my train.
Can come on. Did you see now what
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to start him now.
nice, yo.
Tell you when that's a start first car.
Yeah, I see rust coming out the exhaust now.
4 months ago.
Yes.
You know why? Okay, now this car now I know that.
Yeah.
If you look at the pipes, I mean the spark plug.
Yes, yes.
You can see it's not right.
Okay, alright.
So, but that must make it. Yeah.
Yeah, the small things. Need to get it now. Hundreds again.
So, yes. But as original 60 minus 2 with launch control on this car.
Okay. You see, the main thing is that this car starts. You understand? Wiring, everything else you can sort out, all the small
Yeah,
things. We'll
car
test
start and
everything.
drive.
Yeah, that's the main thing.
You don't want to make it, we can take this car out here maybe.
No problem. No problem.
Okay.
I came to see you this morning, as I said, to see
all
what.
this thing is out there.
Yeah. How many years you got this car?
Never check this is out. This is out. That is the motor. There you go. Check the badge, check the labels.
Yay. This thing is nice.
But look how close the motor in here,
Yeah.
the fan.
Ah, I see that. Okay, we must check. We must put that on and then I must remove that radiator, put the fan on, and then put the radiator back in and see how it goes. Right, but this thing is mean, yo.
Yeah, that's it. But can it crack with this?
Lock. Oh, it's open. That I like on the steering wheel. And this,
Original?
yeah. Sunroof also.
Alles.
Yay.
But what happened with this thing was, I bought a cracking thing, so my energy's been there.
Yeah, yeah.
Can't even go play with cars now, you fucking.
I understand. Yeah, I'm making a business. .318i. So guys, this is a donor car for that Alpina on the outside, that white one. So most of the parts are coming off of this car, like the air ducts and plastic parts and grills and everything like that, lights maybe. So this car will be taking stuff off this vehicle and putting it onto the other vehicle on the outside, that white Alpina. I'll show you now that vehicle there quickly. I've got a BMW E36 here also. Not too sure what we're doing with it. So yeah.
Leave it, let's rather put it on. We'll bleed the brakes and see if it leaks.
Spin cars, parts cars. This E30 is getting a respray. So as you see, everything is stripped out of here. A few more things to come off, like the mirrors, the rubbers, stickers. Yay! This is a BMW E46 M3. What you say, Adile? How are you? Lakka? Very nice vehicle, is it? Very nice, very nice. Suit you. You like a boss. Okay, but you are a boss. You are a boss. Selling this car. Selling this car. How much? BMW X5 3-liter diesel. Okay, this is Overland Cruiser. These guys are a page as well. I'm gonna try and find the link and then we can put it on. These guys are traveling around the world and they are documenting it. So check them out, Overland Cruiser.
Just assembling some few stuff here.
Keyboard joint.
He's on his chops here.
So today has been a long time after I've recorded anything. Cars here that's gonna be resprayed and rebuilt. So stick with us. Let us know what you want to see. Subscribe, like our videos, comment.